Good morning, class. Today we are doing revision of fractional numbers. Which numbers? Fractional numbers. We have already studied what are fractions or what are fractional numbers. What are fractions? Fractions are a part of a whole. Fractions are a part of whole. Whole means pura, complete. Whole means complete. And the part of complete is known as fractional numbers. And the part of whole is known as fractional numbers. Fractional numbers has two parts. One upper part and one lower part. Upper part and lower part. Okay? Okay? We have a circle. We have a circle here. If I divide it into two parts equally, one part is known as half. One part is known as half. How many parts are there total? Two parts. So what will we write? 1 upon 2. 1 upon 2 means half part. 1 upon 2 means half part. And if I divide it into 4 parts, one part is known as 1 upon, and it is known as quarter. It is known as quarter. Fractional numbers. What are fractional numbers? Part of a whole. Part of a, it can be 1 upon 2 or 1 upon 4 or 1 upon 3, 1 upon 8, 1 upon 5. Okay. If we talk about 1 upon 2, it is known as half. It is known as half. 1 upon 4 is known as quarter. The total number in which we divide any circle comes in upper part or lower part? Lower part. जिस भी नंबर को या जिस भी सर्कल को या जिस होल को हम जितने भी पार्ट्स में डिवाइड करते हैं उसका हर एक पार्ट टोटल नंबर किस में आता है? लोअर पार्ट्स में. नाउ सी दिस इज 1 upon 8. ओके. This is 1 upon 8. So how many parts of a circle? How many parts? No. 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 8 parts. Very good, Shresh. How many parts? How many parts are these? 4. Now, these are 8. 6. And now it is 8. So 1 upon 8 means how many parts of a circle? 8 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Understood? If I say 1 upon 6, so how many parts of the circle? 6 parts. And if I say 1 upon 4, what does it mean? How many parts? 4 parts. And each part is known as quarter. And if it has 2 parts, each part is known as half. And what are fractional numbers? Parts of a whole. Whole means complete. Very good. Now read the question. What fraction does the colored part show? Means हमें fraction किसके दिखाने हैं? Colored parts. This is a circle. How many parts? total parts? 4 parts. So what will be in the lower part? 4. And colored parts are 1 and 2. So 2 upon 4. Okay. Now this is a circle. It has how many parts? How many parts? There are 3 parts. So I will write 3 in lower part or upper part? Lower part. And how many are colored? 2. So what will I write in the upper part? 2. It will become 2 upon 3. Easy? Okay. Who can tell me the fraction of this one? Only raise your hands. Yes, yes. 8 upon 3. 3 upon 8. Total parts in the lower part and colored parts in the upper part. So fraction will be 3 upon 8. Understood? Easy? Okay, tell me this one. Raise your hands, those who know. Are we? 6 upon 2. Is it correct? Aradhya? 2 upon 6? No. Who can tell me this one? Arab? Arab? No, no, wait. No. First keep quiet. How many colored parts? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. तो ऊपर तो क्या रहेगा बेटा? 6. And total कितने हैं? 8. So 6 upon. Understood? Aradhya? Yes or no? Are we? Understood? Sit down. Now raise your hands. Raise your hands. No. Don't speak answers. Monica? 1 upon 2. 1 upon 2 is? 1 upon 2. Half. Very good. Sit down. No. Tell me this one. Who will tell me? No. Only raise your hands. No. Manvi? Tell me. Slowly. Okay, so how many colored parts are here? 1, 2, 5. So 5 will be here and total parts 6, 7, 8. 8. 5 upon 8. Understood? Easy? First we were doing the fraction of the colored parts. Now we will do the fraction of the uncolored parts. यानी जिसमें कलर नहीं है उनके फ्रैक्शन क्या होंगे? इसमें किसमें कलर नहीं है? How many? 2. So what will be the fraction? इसमें किसमें कलर नहीं है? 1 and total part 3. So 1 upon. Who will tell me this one? Only raise your hands. Only raise your hands. हाँ रिद्वी. Don't. 8. 5 upon 8. 5 upon 8. Very good. Next one, who will tell me? Anushka, tell me. How many uncolored parts? 2. And total parts? 8. So what will be the fraction? 2 upon 8. Very good. Sit down. Don't do, ma'am. I will not ask like that. Darshit? 1/2. Very good. 1/2 is? Half. Yes, Kushveer, tell me this one. Stand up. How many uncolored parts? कौन से ऐसे parts हैं जिसमें color नहीं है बेटा? How many parts? Kushveer, tell me. 3. And total parts कितने हैं? 8. So fraction क्या होगा? 3/8. Then? Okay. Now see the next one. What is the fraction of the shaded parts? What are the fractions of the shaded parts? इसमें कितने shaded है बेटा? 1. And total parts? 2. So 1/. Who will tell me this one? Only raise your hands and don't say ma'am. Ma'am, sit straight. Yes, Nitish. 2/4. Very good. Who will tell me this one? Yes, Vidhan. 1/2. No. Mansi. Don't do ma'am. Mansi, tell me this one. 1/3. We have to see the shaded part. जिसमें color हो रखे हैं वो देखना है. How many parts are colored? 2. So it will be 2/. Total parts कितने हैं? Total parts 3. So it will be 2/3. Sit down. This one? Who will tell me this one? No. Again started, ma'am. How many times am I going to say? What is this? Pick it up. Arav, tell me. 3/3. 3/3 is? 3/3 की वैल्यू क्या आती है? 1. क्या आती है? लोनिका, बातें नहीं. Who will tell me this one? Sanvi, tell me this one. No. Very good. 4/4. 4/4 is 1. 4/4 is 1. Who will tell me this one? Dash, tell me. Tell me. 1/2. No. 1/3. Very good. Sit down. This one? No. Shree, stand up. 1/4. 1/4 is also known as quarter. And this one? Again started shouting. Anushka? 3/1. Ridvi? 3/4. Okay? Okay, this is a pattern. What is this? A pattern. If we have to find 1 upon 2, or 1 upon 2 is also known as half. Half of the collection. What will be it? What will be the half of this collection? Half means, half का मतलब क्या होता है? 1 upon 2. So it means इस पूरे को हमें कितने equal parts में करने हैं? 2 equal parts. How many equal parts? 2 equal parts. Yes, it's right. So what will be the answer? How can I divide it into 2 equal parts? Ridvi, tell me. How will I divide it into half? If I divide it into 2 parts, अगर मैं इसे 2 parts में divide करती हूँ, तो एक part में कितने squares आएंगे? No. First count it. कितने? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 का half क्या होता है? 4. Very good, Arav. So we will color on the 4 squares. Done? समझ आया? What will be the half of this collection? 3. And if I do 1 upon 4? No. 2. कैसे? We will divide 1 part, 2 parts, 3 parts, 4 parts. 4 parts कर दिए. एक part में कितने आए? 2. So 1 upon 4 of 8 is known as 2. This is my whole circle. This is a whole circle. And if I have to show 3 upon 4, how will I show it? First, tell me how many parts I have to do. 4 parts. How will I do? How many lines? 2 lines. Which types of lines? Vertical and no. Slanting line is this. Sleeping line. Sleeping line is also known as horizontal line. So we will do one horizontal line and one standing line. Standing line is known as vertical line. Now I have divided into 4 parts. 4 parts हो गए हैं. ऊपर क्या है? 3. So how many parts will I color? 3. 1, 2 and 3. Easy? Okay. Now this is a figure, and if I have to color 1 upon 4 of the following, so which part will I color? How many parts will I color? 4 parts. 1 part. And if I color 2 parts, then what will I write? 2 upon 4. 2 upon 4. 2 ones are 2 twos are. So this becomes 1 upon 2. 1 upon 2 is half. So ये कितने हैं? 1, 2 and 3, 4. What is the half of 4? 2. So अगर हमने 2 में कलर किया, out of 4 it is also known as half. इसे भी हम क्या बोलेंगे? Half. If I color 3, what will be the fractional part? 3 upon 4. Very good. 3 upon 4. And 1 upon 4 is known as quarter. 1 upon 2 is known as half. And if I color all of them, 4 upon 4 is equal to? Very good. 1. Complete. Easy? Did you understand? Now let's do a quick revision. What is a fraction? Fraction is a part of a whole. What is half? 1 upon 2. 1 upon 2. When we divide any whole into two parts, each part is known as half. When I divide one whole into four parts, each part is known as quarter. Very good. And what is the meaning of whole? Whole means complete. Very good. Whole means complete. Understood? What are fractional numbers? What is the meaning of whole? What is half? What is quarter? How do we find the half, 1/4 and 3/4 of the collections? Done? What comes in the upper part? What comes in the lower part of a fraction? Upper part is the colored part and lower part is the total parts. Lower part is the total parts and upper part is the colored part or shaded part. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you, students.